Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to create type on grass in Photoshop. This is the final look we're aiming to achieve. Let's switch to a starting composition. Go to the layers panel. Here we have this grass layer and soil layer in this turf text. Hold Ctrl, Command on mark and click on the turf layer thumbnail to load it as a selection. Hide it. Show the grass layer. Click on the grass layer to make it active. Go to the bottom of the layers panel. Click on the add layer mask icon. Let us add a drop shadow to the mask. If you want to lift color for your shadow on the image, make sure the image thumbnail is active and not the layer mask. Click on the image thumbnail to make it active. Go to the bottom of the layers panel. Click on the FX icon. Click on drop shadow. Give it a color black and opacity of 75%. The angle of your shadow will be guided by where your light is coming from. Give it a distance of 10 pixels and size of 10 pixels. You can always give it half values of distance and size as per the resolution of your image. Click OK. Now let us grow the grass background into the mask. Go to Select. Select and Mask. Go at the bottom of the panel and make sure your output is on the mask. Choose Layer Mask. Give it a radius of 30 pixels, contrast of 50%, and shift the edge by 25%. Make sure Smart Radius is checked. Click OK. I went ahead and added some few items to add to aesthetic. Let me show the whole layer and show the grass layer, show the golf layer, and also show the grass one layer. And that's how you create type on grass in Photoshop. That's it for today. Like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on our next episode.